Hey there, this is Watson from 911 Studios, and today we're going to look at the Bestway Hydroforce Oceana Inflatable Stand-Up Paddleboard. It's got about 830 ratings on Amazon with an average of 4.4 out of 5 stars. Nice. It's also available through Amazon Prime, which means free delivery for you. We're looking at the Oceana, but Bestway makes other models as well, including the Aqua Journey, the Cruiser, and the Whitecap, all at 10 foot long. And the Oceana here is 10 foot long by 33 inches by 6 inches tall. The wide base provides stability and balance for kids, adults, beginners, and experts alike. With a maximum weight capacity of 243 pounds, the thicker material is more stable than compared to a hardboard. It also has a high degree of maneuverability and lightness, making this SUP ideal for smooth and stable rides in the ocean, lakes, or rivers with flat water conditions, and sometimes even on small waves. It has bungee cord tie-downs to secure your belongings to the front of the board. It's a step above traditional SUPs. The Hydroforce paddleboards are made from drop stitch material with unparalleled strength, stability, and durability that compare with traditional hard surface fiberglass SUPs. So experience less wipeouts. The top deck is a soft, cushioned, non-slip traction pad to boost the rider's balance and grip. This is a safety feature to decrease the amount of falls the rider experiences. And this actually converts quickly into a kayak with a detachable seat, backrest, footrest, and a two-blade section on the paddle for kayaking. So you can opt to sit down and kayak or stand up and paddle. This versatile and unique iSUP is one of a kind in the market. It's also easy to transport and store. A convenient deck handle makes it easy to carry the SUP to the beach or the lake. After deflation, the paddleboard folds into a travel-friendly bag that can be compactly stored in the car for all your excursions. So get on the water in minutes with everything you need. This set includes one stand-up paddleboard, an adjustable aluminum paddle, one hand pump, one travel bag, a surf leash, one footrest, and a repair kit. Now let me share with you a helpful review from a verified purchaser. Amazing quality, solid board at 15 psi, great package including seat and kayak paddle, which you wouldn't get with much more expensive products. Great starter package and superb quality at an amazing price. Love it. Well, there you go. This sounds like a fun and convenient stand-up paddleboard. Plus it has the additional kayak convertibility, which is actually really cool. Order yours today. Don't forget Amazon Prime, which means free delivery. I think you're gonna love this.